Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Instagram notification not working on iPhone. If you're expressing issue with Instagram notification not working on your iPhone, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. So in this video I will give you some of these troubleshooting solution. First of all, you have to check Instagram notification in Instagram app. You have to make sure that the notifications are enabled in your Instagram app. After checking from app, then you have to check that iPhone notification settings. Go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down, and then tap on go to Instagram, tap on Instagram, now tap on notifications, and see if it's enable or disable. If it's disable, then simply enable it. Then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes simply restarting your iPhone can resolve notification issues. For starting your iPhone, simply you have to go back, then scroll up and tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is update the Instagram app. Outdated apps can sometimes cause problems. Go to App Store and check if there is any Instagram update available. If there is, update the app. To check this, you have to go to your App Store, then search here, then go to search Instagram, and like if there is any update available for your Instagram, then update your Instagram to the latest version of it. After updating the Instagram to the latest version and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check for software update. Indicate that your iPhone operating system is up to date. Go to your settings and go to software update to check for any update. If there is any available update for your iPhone, then update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After checking for software update, then you have to do is check do not disturb mode. Make sure that your iPhone is not in do not disturb mode, which can prevent notification from appearing. To check this, simply have to scroll from your top corner of your iPhone, open your control center, and you can see your option do not disturb or focus. If it's unable, then simply disable it and see if issue solved or not. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is contact Instagram support. If none of the steps work, you can reach out to Instagram support team. You can do this by going to Instagram app, tapping your profile picture, then tap the three horizontal lines in the top corner and selecting settings help report a problem. After contacting to Instagram support and you're still facing the issue again and again, then what you can do is reset iPhone settings as a last resort. If the issue persists, you can reset all settings on your iPhone. This will reset all your personalized settings, but it will resolve the notification issue. To do this, you have to go back and then go to General, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.